What's up, YouTube? Today we're gonna try some micro fishing in this little culvert. See if we can't catch some chubs. Okay, so here's the hole, guys. It's about 10 feet wide, maybe 12, and there's been some pretty big chubs in here I've caught in the past couple years. Fishing has been really tough. It's been really warm some days, really cold other days. So let's see if we can catch any. First cast. First cast, pretty decent chub. Fishing has been hard. It's been 70 certain days and then 30 other days. Still got my worm. Got him. There's another one. Good sized ones. Wow, this fish is really cold. Fish number 3. Whoop. Oh. There it goes. Got him. Got another one. Third cast. So what I pretty much got going here is at the bottom I have my size 10 hook with a little wax worm, and then about 8 inches up I got a sinker. Been working really good, probably only my 5th cast, and I have about 3 good chubs. I really want to catch a bluegill or something, but chubs are good too, especially in the winter when it's hard to catch them. Here's another bite. Got him. Let go. Oh, another one. A little bit littler one. There's a bite. Got him. Can't keep track of the numbers, but it's a few, probably like 7. Let's let him go. There he goes. Oh, there's a nice one. Oh, wow, that fish jumped. There he is. Oh, nice fish. Get the release. Okay, guys, this is probably my last fish, last bait tie on, because my GoPro is about to die. So, here you go. Hopefully it's a big one. There we go. Got the bite. Oh, that's a nice one. Ooh, that's the best one yet. Ooh. Wow, look at that. Look at that chub. In this little hole, in this tiny stream, there are these big chubs. Wow, look at that. I don't know if you guys can tell how big this chub is, but it's big. This chub could be pushing 10 inches, maybe even 12, or maybe even 12 inches. No. I just got a hook in my finger. It's not good. But, wow. Look at this fish. That is a really good chub. I can even lip him. But, lucky to see these guys in here. It's just probably a 10-foot hole. Maybe not even, but really good fish to end the day. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, and hopefully we'll see you guys in a new video soon. There it goes.